I'm Kim. I'm with 626 Ohana, California, and today we're going to do a Shop Disney Halloween haul. One of my favorite times of year to shop at Disney. So we're going to get started with this. I made a mistake of kind of opening this a little bit the other day. I didn't pull it out, but once I realized it was part of Shop Disney and not Amazon, I quickly shoved it to the side. So this is actually a present for Brad. All right. I don't know if you can see. Can you guys see? I'm scary enough without a costume. And it's a scar. So, is it a scar? No.
It's a scar.
Yeah, okay, so this is a Scar Halloween shirt. Brad doesn't like to dress up for Halloween in costumes, so I thought this would be perfect when we do Halloween stuff at the parks. So, a little bit of Halloween that I can get him to dress up with. Brad, my Vanna White, thank you. I'm so excited. Okay. Alright. Once again, Disney is still keeping with this really nice blue paper. Yay. Okay. Oh. Alright. So, this is a Haunted Mansion. Oopsies. Haunted Mansion glow-in-the-dark sweatshirt. This is front. I always like extra big sweatshirts to layer. Welcome, foolish mortals. Don't be too afraid. There's no turning back now. Haunted Mansion, restless spirits and departed souls. Regions beyond. Tomb sweet tomb. Make your final arrangements here. And the perfect final resting place. Join us if you dare. And then there's a little rose at the very bottom. That's a lot of wording stuffed onto a sweatshirt. Alright, this is really cool. I like it. I can't wait to get back to the Haunted Mansion. I miss it. I'm gonna have to hold that in my lap. Okay. Oh, I went on a bit of a Halloween clothes shopping spree. And I got myself some sweats that were Haunted Mansion. So you got your Haunted Mansion with your hitchhiking ghosts and characters. These kind of like lounge pants. Right? You're staying at home. Got not much to do. I didn't do as big of a haul as I thought. Oh well, Brad's shirt's in the other one. And who can resist Mickey ears? But it's Minnie ears in this case. Okay. These are fun. Okay. What do you guys think? Can you guys see? Okay, so that's my Halloween haul. I'll lay out this for you. So we got Brad's Halloween costume. In a way. I know, poor Hayden. There wasn't anything he wanted. We got my lovely Minnie ears. And Haunted Mansion sweatpants. These are cute. I'm gonna wear these a lot. And oh, they have a little tie at the bottom of the sweatpants. These are, if you can see that, it's a little bow. That's kind of cute. Not your typical sweatpants. You know, we all like clothes, cozy clothes for fall. And of course, my foolish mortals sweatshirt. So I hope you guys like the items that we got and our little Halloween clothing haul. And so I really like all this stuff. I think they did a great job with Halloween stuff. I didn't get a lot of decorations. Actually, I did get a decoration. I don't think it came yet. We might have to add that in to the end of this video.
Well, there's something else you forgot from the last haul.
What? Oh, so I'm gonna just add this in because I got this with the last haul and it came later. And I got this jersey shirt for the 65th for Disneyland. And I can't wait to wear it when Disneyland opens. It's sparkly. It's sparkly and beautiful. I will wear this a lot. Because of course I love, actually I really love Disney spirit jerseys. They're great. Okay, so I actually have something coming later in the mail, so I'm gonna add to this video on another day after that comes. Okay, so I realized I forgot a box, so you're not seeing things I did change, get a haircut in between, so sorry about that. Anyways, I got this last item as part of a theme that I decorate every year for Halloween. And I'm excited. Okay, Brad's helping me here. Woo! Okay, I have got the, let's see, Master Greasy kind of foam. Is it foam? It's a yard decoration. Plastic say, what is this fabric?
It's kind of a plasticky foam.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and open this up because it does come with stakes in the top that's in between. Sorry. I didn't know it'd be packaged like this. Okay. Okay, I always do some kind of graveyard in our front yard every Halloween. So this is our newest addition, the Master Greasy, laid to rest, a tombstone with the official Haunted Mansion on the back. So I love this. I am thrilled. It's pretty thick. I mean, it's lightweight. And then in here comes some stakes. Sorry, Brad will edit out a little bit. Okay, here we go. And then, ah, there was a real spider in there. Oh my God.
Wow, there was.
Oh my God, there was a real spider in there.
That's called good marketing.
Did you see it?
Yes, it's right there. Kill it and show them.
Is that a spider?
Yes, it crawled. Kill it.
Oh.
Kill it.
I've never seen that kind of spider.
Kill it.
I'm trying to. Wow.
Okay, guys, no joke. Okay, that's kind of gross. That spider came out alive in my shop Disney Hall.
Wow.
It crawled out, it jumped out of here live, and that's why I screamed. Okay. Wow. I guess I got a different kind of Halloween surprise. I hate spiders. Okay, sorry. So, besides the surprise spider, I love my Halloween haul. Ooh, okay, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along with our Ohana. And have you guys ever find any surprises in your shop Disney Hall? I'm gonna say goodbye and find your magic. Bye, everyone.
Spiders.
Oh my gosh, I can't even believe. Okay, here we go. And then, ah!